In this video, we will be going through the Forex Judas swing model for the London session, which is 100% mechanical and you don't even need a daily basis to trade this model. How and when to trade it so you can profit off the market as much as possible. Make sure to watch till the end so everything makes sense, and there's a bonus gem at the end of the video. Grab your notebooks and let's get started. In order to trade this model, we will be marking the Asian session with vertical lines from 8 p.m. to 3 a.m. This is where we will let price do anything it wants. Once we hit 3 o'clock, we will mark the Asian ranges high and low, and then we will be looking for either the previous ranges high or low to purge during the trading time window, which will be from 3 a.m. to 8 a.m. Make sure to mark that up as well to make it easier for you to know when to stop trading. We will be strictly using one time frame, which will be the 5-minute time frame. Once we get either of the liquidity gets taken, whether it's the Asian sessions ranges high or low. Now we will look for a market structure shift with a body closure, which means the price should reverse and close beyond the recent swing point with a candle body closure, not just a wick. Market structure shift is an indication that the market is shifting its structure, going bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish, giving us a high probability of confluence. As soon as we get a market structure shift, we will enter our trade right away. We will not be waiting for any fair value gap or order blocks. Stop loss will be beyond the recent swing point. Make sure to give it a little breathing room. Take profit will be fixed 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. For risk, I usually risk 0.5% for these types of models. You can even risk 0.25% if you want to be more conservative, but I would suggest you not risk more than 1%. If we don't get any setup during our trading time window till 8 a.m., then we close the charts and come back the next day. No need to force trades. Another important note, these timings are in New York local time or Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to adjust your charts to the correct time zone. Here is a little trick for you guys. You can make marking sessions easier by using this sessions indicator. We will further tweak some sessions timing by going to indicator settings, and then to the inputs tab. We will uncheck the New York session as we won't be trading the New York session. Now we will edit the timings. For the Tokyo session, we will be selecting from 20 o'clock to 3 o'clock. For the London session, we will be selecting 3 o'clock to 8 o'clock. After that, we have to click the OK button to save our settings, and sessions will be automatically marked for you. Now you just have to mark the highs or lows of the previous session. Now let's talk about the pairs where we can use this model effectively. This trading model is going to almost work on all assets, but the ones that work best for me are Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro Australian Dollar, and Euro Canadian Dollar. Basically all the pairs with Euro and GBP, or the ones that are mostly active during the London session. Here is an example of some of them. Before moving forward to our live market examples, are you ready to boost your trading skills? Take a shortcut to profitability with the Trading Titan Blueprint. Transform yourself from a beginner to an advanced trader with our exclusive video content, strategies, and tools to easily pass your funded challenges within few weeks. Check out the link in the description to learn more. Now, let's get back to the video. We are on a 5-minute time frame for Euro USD. Let's mark the Asian session with vertical lines from 8 p.m. to 3 a.m. and its high and low of the Asian range. Let's play the price ahead and wait for the price to either violate the high or low of this range. As we can see over here, the low of this range was purged, and now we will be waiting for the market structure shift to confirm that price indeed wants to reverse and it was not just a retracement. We got the market structure shift over here. After that, we will enter trade instantly. I will place the stop loss below the recent swing low, and the profit target will be a fixed 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, risking 0.5% on this trade. Let's watch the price and see how this trade turns out. Just like that, we had a nice 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio trade. You don't have to go break even or take any partials on the way. You just have to let it run until it hits either your stop loss or take profit. Moving ahead to our next example the following day, we will mark the high and low of the Asian range. Now we will patiently wait for high or low to be taken. Once that happens, we will look for the market structure shift. Right when it happens, we'll jump in and make the trade. We'll set our stop loss just below this low and aim for a fixed 1 to 2 risk to reward as stated in our rules. Let's make the trade and see what happens. Once again, we smashed our take profit level. Let's move forward to another day and look for another good setup. I'll quickly go through our steps and mark the high and low of the Asian range. Then I'll wait to see if these levels are broken. Here, the low of the Asian range has been broken. Now, we'll wait for a shift in market structure to confirm the reversal. Once we see that shift, I'll enter the trade right away using market execution. I'll place the stop loss below the recent swing point, and for our take profit target, we'll aim for the same 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. As you've seen, we've had 3 winning trades in a row. While this is possible every day, it doesn't happen every day. That's why it's important not to rush into trades. Instead, wait until all the conditions are perfect. Let's discuss the days when it's best to avoid trading this setup as they may have a lower probability. These include high-impact news days such as FOMC, CPI, PPI, interest rate announcements, and NFP. It's important to skip trading on these days. Make sure to use an economic calendar to plan your trading days in advance. As a bonus for sticking around, I have a quick tip to make trading this model even simpler and increase accuracy. If your trade is still open after the London to New York session, consider closing your positions before 12 p.m. By this time, the market usually slows down as the volatility winds down. Before trading live, remember to backtest the strategy for yourself. Keep trading simple. Subscribe for more videos like this to elevate your trading skills. If you have any questions, feel free to re-watch the video and leave them in the comments below. Click the on-screen video to learn more about similar trading strategies. Well done on making it this far. Until next time, peace.